Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to insert hyperlink in your Microsoft Word document. Hyperlink may be inserted within a document or it can take you to an external document like a web page for further reference or detailed explanation. Let me show you. Right over here you can see I have different headings in this document like table of content, list of figure, list of tables, references, etc. Now if somebody starts reading this particular document, he may get confused what is a table of contents. In that case, we can actually take him to an external document or to an external web page where he can read it out with detailed explanation. In that case, we can actually make it a hyperlink. So how can it be made a hyperlink? Simply select the text that you want to make hyperlink, go over here into insert document, and in the links option click on link, and over here you can see we have a bunch of options like existing file or web page, place in this document, etc. Now over here in this address bar we can actually insert the link that would take the reader to that particular web page where he can read it with all the explanation. For that, first let me go to the web page. And so this is the web page. I want my reader to come over here and read it for detailed explanation. So simply click over here, and now you can either use Ctrl+C to copy it, or you can simply right click and copy it right from here. Go to your document and paste it in this address bar. Now simply click on OK, and there you have your hyperlink inserted right into your document. Now if you take your cursor right over it, you can see this pop-up shows Control plus click to follow the link. So simply hold Control and you can see our cursor turned into a hand, and simply click over here and it would take you to this external link. Not only you can make a hyperlink of a text, but you can also do the same with a picture as well. Let me show you. For example, for the list of tables, you can see we have this picture inserted right into our document, and now we want this picture to act as a hyperlink to an external document. So in that case, simply click on the image, go to insert, again link, and again you can choose existing file or web page. Now existing file means some document that is stored on your PC. So in that case, you can actually take your reader into this stored document. But for now, I'm going to take it to an external document. So here we have insert a table of figures. So simply we are gonna select it as we have done previously and paste it right into our address bar. Click on OK. Now this particular figure has become a hyperlink to an external document. As you hover over it, you can see it says Control plus click to follow the link, and if we are gonna click on it by pressing the Control key and then clicking, there you can see it has taken us to an external document. Now let's see the other options that are there in this insert hyperlink. Now the second option that we have over here is place in this document. This particular option links one part of the document with another part of the document within the same document. Let me show you how we can do that. For example, you want these references to be linked to these references within this document, and similarly these citations needs to be linked to these citations. So how you can do that? Simply go to references and click on bookmark and simply give your bookmark a name. I'm gonna name it references. Click on add, and similarly these citations can be bookmarked as well. I'm gonna name it citations. Add. Now let's link these two parts to this part, references and citations. Let me choose these references, and this time I'll go to link option, place in this document, and right over here we have our bookmarks references. Click over here and click on OK, and similarly we can choose these citations, go to link, citations, and click on OK, and there we have our links inserted right into this document. If you hover your cursor right over here, you can see it says Control plus click to follow the link and same with this. And let me hold the control key and bring my cursor right onto the top of this references. Click, and there you go. It has taken us right to our references. And similarly, we can do that with citations as well, and there you go. Let's see some other options right over here. The other option is create a new document and email address. Let me show you how we can use this particular option. Suppose I'm going to send this particular document to my students and I want them to send their thesis with proper table of figures and table of content. In that particular case, I'm going to make this particular part linked to this part, create new document. As soon as they would click over here, they would be taken to a new Word document where they can put in their table of contents. Let me show you. I'm going to click over here and select this table of content, go to link, create new document, name of the document, and I'm going to call it table of content. Simply click on OK, and now if somebody comes right over here and press Control plus click, he would be immediately taken to a newer document, and you can see it reads the table of contents. And now the student can simply put their table of contents right over here and email me. Now the last option that we have is email address. That is pretty much self-explanatory. For example, over here you can see if you have any questions, feel free to email me. So I'm going to make my email as a hyperlink right over here. I'm going to choose this text, go to link, email address, and now over here I can insert my email address. And we can also insert the subject as well. I'm going to insert table of contents and simply click on OK, and there you have this part becomes a hyperlink. Now if you simply bring your cursor right over here, press the control key and click, you would be immediately taken to a external page or any email client like Gmail in my case. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.